Now, a nice trick to learn how to do in Excel is create a macro. And macros can be somewhat complex, but they can also be really easy to create. And I'm going to show you how to create a simple macro right now using this set of household expenses that we're working with here. Now, if you go down to the bottom of your screen here in this gray bar at the bottom and right click on it, what you can do is go up to macro recording and make sure it's checked. Mine is already checked, and so what's appearing on this gray bar at the bottom is this little icon with this red dot in the upper left, and what we want to do is click on that to start recording a macro. Now, when we start recording a macro, what we'll do is assign a name to it. I'm going to assign the name sort high to low, and I'm gonna assign H to it as the shortcut key. I'll show you what that does in just a moment. Then I'm gonna add a description. Sorts our list high to low. Okay. Now, once I've hit OK, from this point forward, what this record macro tool is going to do is record every step that I take, and then ultimately we'll be able to repeat those steps automatically. Now, what I want to do is go up and click on the filter icon next to amount and click largest to smallest, and now my list of expenses are sorted by largest to smallest. Now, that's the only step I want to record for this very simple macro, and I'm going to click stop down here because there was only one step in that macro, and now I'm done recording my macro. Now, why don't I, just to prove, for example's sake, what this macro can automatically do for us, why don't I sort this by the smallest expense to the largest, and then go back and click Control-Shift-H, as you remember was the shortcut key that we assigned to this macro, and you can now see that our list is sorted by expenses high to low. So anytime that we work with this list, regardless of how these amounts are scrambled on here, we can click Control-Shift-H and the list will sort by the high amounts to the low amounts.